Hello students, good morning everyone. I am Amrit and today in this video we will discuss the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. A Tiger in the Zoo. So my students, in my first video I had told you and talked about the summary of the poem, and in this video we will discuss the uh, poem. Now let's start. This poem contrasts a tiger in the zoo with a tiger in its natural habitat. So here the poet is giving a contrast. He is comparing a tiger in the zoo and tiger in its natural habitat. So we can easily find out that a tiger in the zoo means the tiger which are kept in a cage, and tiger in its natural habitat means tiger is living in a jungle. We know it for sure, and so that poet has aptly described it and given the proper what we can say that it's how it should be, mean where it should be kept. So let's read and know. Dear students, now I'll explain you the uh, stanza, and while explaining I'll also explain you the line by line, also give you the word meaning, and also I'll tell you the rhyming scheme. Okay, let's start. He stalks in his vivid stripes the few steps of his case of pads of velvet quiet in its quiet race. So my dear students, here first of all let's see the he. Who is he here? He means here tiger. And why the poet has used he? It's because he has personified. Now see what is personification. Personification means, suppose any object or things that we are telling them as a human being, so that time we tell them it as a personification. So here tiger is personified as he, so here he is a tiger. Okay, he stalks in his vivid stripe. Here my dear students, stalks means, here you can see stalks means here uh, moving slowly and silently in order to kill or hunt somebody. Okay, so here the tiger is moving slowly silently and in his vivid stripes. Here vivid stripes, stripe means here you can see the black spot that has tiger has in his body. Okay, so that looks beautiful. The few steps of his cage on pads of velvet quiet in his quiet race. So here we see that there are stripes on its body which are quite prominent. Its paws are soft like velvet. No noise is produced when it walks on its pads or velvet. The tiger is silent but in rage. We can see here rage. Rage meaning anger. Okay. Here pads is a paws, or we can say panja. Okay, that is the poet has compared with velvet quiet. That means very soft and means move very quiet, smoothly and slowly, and so that poet has mentioned or compared with a velvet quiet. Okay, now let's see here the rhyming scheme. Here first one, let's see here. First stripe, the stripe we give a, then cage. Cage is also not rhyming with stripe, so here the word cage we give b. Okay, then next we go to quiet. Quiet is also not rhyming with the word stripe or cage, so we give it c. Then now we move to last word, that is raise. Here we can see that uh, case is rhyming with the word raise, so here case is already we have given b, so that raise also will come the same letter, that is b. So here we see that the rhyming scheme is a b c b, a b c b. So here in the same way whole of the stanza follows the same rhyming pattern, a b c b. Okay, now let's go ahead, see second stanza. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole, where plump deer pass. Now see, my dear students, here the poet says that he should be lurking in shadow. What is the meaning of lurking? Lurking means hiding secretly. Lurking, here you can see the word lurking means hiding secretly. In a shadow means the poet is telling that the tiger might be hiding. The tiger should not be kept in the zoo, but it should be in jungle, and where it should be hiding quietly under the shadow of the tree and sliding through long grass. Here sliding means moving. Okay, so moving quietly through the long grasses near the water hole where plump deer pass. Here plump means hefty, or long, we can say longer or softer. That means hefty deers which it can prey and hunt, and it can have its own food. So here the poet is saying that the poet suggests that the cage is not the proper place for the tiger. It is not its natural habitat. The tiger in the cage is a victim of human cruelty. So tigers are uh, found sitting under some bushes or long grasses near a stream or water hole. As soon as they see a prey like deer coming there to drink water, it should attack and kill them for their food. Okay, so here the poet is telling that the tiger should be kept in its natural habitat, and so we can see the real tiger. So because once the tiger is kept in the zoo, its behavior changes, it acts differently, it becomes lazy, it is being fed by the zoo authorities. Okay, and so it becomes lazy, and it also becomes angry because it longs for freedom and it's not getting the freedom, and always in the case it gets angry and always look at the night and longs for the freedom. So my dear students, today for today it's enough. We'll learn these two terms already we have learned, and next we'll see them in my next video. Hope everyone have understood well. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you once again.